Hey guys, and welcome to this Matplotlib tutorial in which we are going to show you how to create subplots in Matplotlib. So, as a quick disclaimer, I'm going to show you how to do it in the easy way without figures or axes, just a way you can use it instantly. It will be super easy to use, so you can get around it and use it in your reports or whatever you need that for. That's why you are in this tutorial, okay? So, as always, we will start by importing Matplotlib as PLT. This is the standard way it's done in MATLAB and in Python, and we're going to show you the example. So how to use these subplots? Very easy. You have to use plt.subplot, and you have here three different parameters, x, y, and z. The first two ones will indicate how many subplots we want. So x will be the number of rows, y the number of columns, and z we will indicate each subplot where it would be located inside this grid of subplots. Maybe this is a bit confusing, but just say we want to a subplot of 2 rows and 2 columns. Then we will have 4 different positions, so top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. So the 1 will be to the left, and for instance the 4 will be bottom right. So what we need to do is we to have, with that, we have created where to locate each of those subplots. So now below each of these lines, we can say the usual plt.plot, for instance, x, y, and we can repeat that for all. This is an example. This is x, y is a toy example. Oh, I have to define, excuse me, for the library. So this is what we have. Okay, so each of the plots in one of the cells. So as you said before, maybe if you want to change this one, so we have here color, maybe say color you want it to be red, so it will change to red. And maybe in this one you want to have the title. So as usual, in this space here, you're going to use it as it was a usual plot. So title, hello, x label, x label. Okay, so you have hello, x label, and all that. So also maybe in this plot you want to do a scatter plot. So you can use whatever you want. Also, as I said before, just to simplify, we can change the space. So you have 1, 4, for instance. So you can think what will be the result here. Maybe say 1, 4. So as I said before, the first is row, second is column. So we have 1 row and 4 columns. And as you can see here, it gets really bad at the spacing of the different subplots. So one solution is using Matplotlib Qt and then adjusting it with your mouse or whatever. But the other one is what I will show you a little bit later. So to end up with the subplots, maybe you want to use a general title. So we're using subtitle, we can use general title. Will be on top of that, so we can have here in top of all the subplots. So we can have subtitles for each of the one of subplots and a general title. So to end up, as I said before, this is spacing. I have prepared a little bit of here of code. Oh, import numpy as mp, excuse me for that. So as before, we can just have that. As I said before, we have 4 different subplots with the general title, and now we have this parameter here that you can play with to adjust the spacing so we can get better results than that. Okay, so we have to adjust how we want the width, the height, the spacing in the bottom right or edge space. So hope you guys find that information useful. You can solve your problems and leave me a comment if you have some doubts, and I will try to answer you as quickly as possible. So see you guys in the next Matplotlib tutorial video.